People describe me as high on life. Hey guys, JG here. Excited.
Loving the skiing.
Positive.
That's awesome.
A little bit crazy. Every day is an absolute joy. In fact, I have one rule in life, which is if it's not fun, I'm not doing it. My name is JG Francoeur. JG is short for Jean-Guy, and I'm the Chief Growth Officer for the real estate. I started out as a kid from a small town, northern community, but I did show entrepreneurial tendencies from an early age. I had a little bike repair shop that I ran myself in my dad's garage, but I didn't really understand where it was all going until I entered the world of business. Then I really found my passion, and it started in college, and then in university it changed because I was still obsessed with business, but I was asking questions and I was not getting the answers I was looking for. University was just a different version of how I grew up. My parents lived paycheck to paycheck. All my friends lived paycheck to paycheck. And then I realized when I got to university, these people are all the same. They're still living paycheck to paycheck. They're just bigger paychecks. And I don't want that. So what excites me about real estate is the fact that it has nothing to do with a paycheck. Real estate is a leverage of time. It's a leverage of money. I actually don't believe you should work for money. I think working for money is really stupid. I think you should work for passion. I think you should work for what you love to do. I think making money is a result of doing what you love to do really, really well. Has provided me with an incredible advantage. I was able to achieve results in 3 years it took other people 30 years to accomplish. That's a big part of what I'm trying to bring to the world. What if I can help someone do it in 1? Or what if I can help someone do it in 3 months? You know, you really get a sense of how you can make a change in this world and how you can impact the world, how you could leave the world a better place. So because of my rule that I don't have fun, I don't do it, then absolutely everyone I work with every single day is an absolute joy. If you're thinking of investing in real estate, I think that you should do it immediately. With real estate, it comes down to leverage of time and money. And the best time for you to invest in real estate is right